everyone, welcome back to Hiya's Food Palace. Today, let's see how to make chicken nuggets. These are the ingredients. We need 200 gram chicken, 1 egg, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, salt, pepper, corn flour, garam masala, and some oil. Firstly, add chicken to an empty bowl. Then add salt, pepper, and garam masala. Now mix them well, all these together. Once they are mixed, keep it aside for half an hour. Now take the egg and beat it with a whisk or a spoon. Now we can mix garlic powder, corn flour to the all-purpose flour. Now we need to dip chicken to the beaten egg. Then cover with mixed flours. Then dip the chicken in the egg again. Now roll it in the breadcrumbs. When the oil is hot enough, you can deep fry the chicken. And then our chicken nuggets will be ready to serve. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.